Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. We have a real treat in store for us today as we go over nutmeg. This is going to be one of those oils that has become synonymous with both the culinary world and aromatherapy as well, much like basil to a certain degree and a couple of the other nut-based oils as well. It's just really cool stuff, and a lot of people really like using it. I find it's a nostalgic scent in most cases. You know, like it brings back memories of baking and just things like that. I think there's a lot more value to it than just the oil itself, at least in most cases. Before we dive into its profile here, always consult your doctor before use. Always better to err on the side of caution. Now let's take a quick look at its profile. Its scent is most commonly described as having a spicy, warm, and nutty aroma. Under uses, you'll see gastrointestinal spasm, nausea, upset stomach, rheumatism, arthritis, muscular aches and pains, muscular injury, menstrual cramps, nervousness, and tension. Really good stuff, kind of covers all your bases really. Under method of extraction, you'll see that it's steam distilled and it blends well with basil, bergamot, cinnamon bark, clove bud, lemon, lime, orange, oregano, and peppermint. Very cool stuff. And under notes, just apply with a carrier oil. It's relatively safe. You just really got to watch out for the higher concentration. And outside of that, just follow best practices and you should be A-okay. Now let's take a quick moment and glance at its history. The earliest evidence of nutmeg usage comes in the form of 3,500-year-old potsherd residues from the island of Palau, one of the Banda Islands in eastern Indonesia. In the 6th century AD, nutmeg spread to India, then further west to Constantinople. The spice has a distinctive pungent fragrance and warm, slightly sweet taste. It is used to flavor many baked goods, confections, puddings, potatoes, meats, sausages, sauces, vegetables, and such beverages as eggnog. Oh my goodness. Long story short, it's one of those essential oils where we've used it really since antiquity and we still use it in our everyday life. As a direct result of that, nutmeg is relatively cheap, coming in at usually around $20 or so depending on where you're getting it from. But overall, it shows no real sign of declining in terms of popularity. If anything, it's becoming more popular as time persists, which is certainly good for conservation reasons alone. And it looks kind of cool. I don't know. I didn't really notice how neat it was until I started looking up pictures of it. But it's really, really a cool looking nut. In any case, let's move on to a quick DIY recipe. This one is just a simple confidence booster. So 5 drops cedarwood, 4 drops Palmarosa, 4 drops bergamot, 2 drops nutmeg, 2 drops lavender, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. Simply massage into the back of the neck or shoulders. If you have any kind of formal speaking engagement or any nervous moment coming up in the predictable future, use twice 6 hours apart before said event and you should be fine. In any case, let me know what you think of nutmeg down beneath. Be sure to comment any questions, comments, concerns, or usages of your own. And if you're looking at getting your hands on some or restocking your current supply, please do consider using Rocky Mountain Oils. Links down beneath in the description. And as always, I hope you have a great day and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.